Ya mirongo ere na ithatu ya mweri wa gatandatu mwaka wa 2023 ni mwihoko wakwa ati muthenya waku wa furahi denio kiambiririe oro wega ngunyite ugeni guko kwa Muthingi TV arikio kihumo gia gutherema na makiria thiini wa mohoro maitu ma thaa ici na maya ni mamwe ma maria tukuhaririirie. Namaya ni mamwe ma maria tukuhaririirie.
So Anglican Church has a responsibility, and we cannot step forth backward and just let emerging sects mislead society.
Kanitha wa ACK ni uthomithitie arumiriri aguo uhoro wigi maine na odini muogomu.
This is a testimony that the pen is mightier than the gun. That Garissa University has recovered from the terror attack.
Minister wa ruhonge rwa Waitherero Adendwale ni atogeretie aruto a thukuru wa Garissa nundu wa gucokereria thayo thukuru-ini uyu thutha wa tharikiro iria yari kuona yatigire yoraga na rimwe na anana. Munara wa Vasco da Gama ni ugukorwo ugithondekwo weru. Nguririkanie no kono ukiaraniria nani kugerera kuria nenda-ini citu cia ukinyaniria kuria mwena wa YouTube ni @Muthingi TV, kuria mwena wa Facebook ni kwa Muthingi TV, ritwa riakwa ni Waitherero wa Njoroge. Na tukiambiriria ni ati makeria ma 600 kuma gicigo gia Shamata guku ni kaunti ya Nyandarua magunikite na borisha iria na ngoko kuma gwi thirikari ya kaunti ino ya Nyandarua. Gavana wa kaunti ino niwe Kiarie Badilisha netariirie kana netarite arimi aya mahemberia urimi uria ukumateithiriria kuhurana na mathina matiganite ma mikarire yao.
Leo tuko hapa Shamata Ward Karandi tuki launch. Tulikuwa hapa mwezi jana tukapeana mbuzi na sasa tumekuja kuongezea vikundi zingine kama 30 mbuzi za maziwa. Ni kwa sababu tumeona hapa watu wenye wako bidii, climate hapa si mbaya sana, lakini nyasi huwa inamea wakati wa jua inakauka bila kusaidia mtu yote.
Watu ya Shamata, they are very ready to support your project, and we would wish to request you in terms of the breed, that is certified seeds, in terms of that is the crops, and if it comes to the livestock, you support us with the AI and also the acaricides so that we can increase productivity. Thank you.
Na tumefurahi sana kwa Daktari Kiarie Badilisha wakiwa na Ruben Getau kwa kutuletea mbuzi mnazoziona hapa ambazo ni mbuzi za maziwa. Tunafurahia sana kupewa ile maendeleo. Tunaweza kujikuza sisi kama kina mama.
Tumefaidika sana sababu hii mifugo tumeletewa sio kama hii ya zamani. Hii ni mifugo iko na maziwa, tumeletewa bei nzuri ya maziwa. Sasa tutafaidika kama watu wa Shamata.
Hiyo mmea kutegemea, hiyo mmea tumetegemea imekuja baya sana kwa sababu hatu kutoa kitu. Zimekuliwa na baa na jua, hatuna kitu.
Na kutengeneza barabara ambazo tumezitengeneza na tunajaribu, bali na kuchimba maji, bali na mambo kidogo, turudi katika boma za wakaaji. Wao pia tuwape activity ya kufanya. Wasiwe wanagojea tu wakiangalia vile kuko. Na tunauliza wale MCAs wengine pia, huu ni wakati wa kuguza maisha ya wakaaji. Na ni vizuri tuwe na program kama hizi ambao mwananchi anaweza ona kienda nyumbani, anakamua mbuzi, anakamua ng'ombe na anaanza maisha pale.
Tugagicokeria ngatho thirikari ya kumakoria kaunti ya Nyandarua nundu wa gukorwo magiteithiriria arimi aya na makiria aikari a mwena uyu. Tugithii na mbere ni ati munene wa aruti wira wa muingi kana munene wa aruti wira wa muingi niwe Felix Kosgei ugite ati thirikari ya mutongoria wa bururi Daktari William Ruto ndikunira ritho muruti wira o wothe wa muingi uria ukunyitikana na ungumania. Akiaria icera-ini riake wabici-ini cia KEMSA, Kosgei Kosgei ni anireire na kuga gutigithio wira kwa aruti wira 200 a ruhonge ruru rwa KEMSA oriri mogaruruku mange maria magwikika ruhonge-ini niguo kuhuthia kana ukorwo makihuthia mirihire ya aruti a wira thiini wa ruhonge ruru rwa KEMSA.
Then from the second one, this is Kilifi County.
It is unfortunate that the first series of significant anti-corruption actions by this administration are once again in KEMSA. It is unfortunate that as the new administration was walking in, the first call of duty in as far as stopping corruption on its tracks landed in KEMSA. All of us know that this organization has suffered the unnecessary dispute of grand corruption and tainted the overall image of the government, both past and present. You know that when people out there are talking about corruption, the name KEMSA comes in every other minute. This has been done like KEMSA, or it is not as bad as KEMSA, or this is worse than KEMSA. This has to stop. I have noted that from 1st July, the contracts of 200 staff members rendered redundant will not be renewed as the organization adopts a designed performance and service-oriented organizational structure. So, if you are exiting, don't mourn. Exit knowing that you have exited to make KEMSA work. Because you can come around and become a supplier.
We are rationalizing the staff here to ensure that we are left with the people who will help us drive KEMSA forward.
If you have been doing the right thing, then you will be in the right place here at KEMSA.
This is a message from His Excellency the President that the entire government has been put on notice. The entire government officials have been put on notice that we have to fight corruption. Corruption should be slain. And we have started. As you can see, I've had meetings as head of public service from all investigative agencies. We have discussed, we have agreed to come up with a strategy on how to combat.
Tigana na icio cimaine na KEMSA tugacokeria munene wa uruti wira wa muingĩ Felix Kosgei nundu wakorwo agicokereria wega wabici-inĩ ino ya KEMSA. Tugithie na mbere ni ati kanitha wa Anglican utongoretio ni bishop wa diocese ya Mbeere guku ni county ya Embu uikaine ta Moses Masamba ni ugite kanitha wena uigirĩrĩki wa guteithia muingĩ gutigana na uhuthiri wa dawa cia kulevya. Masamba araragia hindi ya kuhingurira ahunjia 1,000 kanitha-ini wa St Peter's Mbeere kuria acakaite wongerereku wa airitu anini gukorwo makihanda.
Watu kama 850 law commissioners wa hapa Mbeere na wengine ambao watakuja kutoka kwa diocese zile tuko nazo za Kenya 40 na kitu, wote watakijumulishwa watakuwa missioners 1200. Watatembea katika eneo lote la Mwea sub-county, Mbeere South sub-county na Mbeere North, mahali diocese ya Mbeere huwa inafanya huduma, ili waweze kuhubiri, kwa sababu mahubiri pia inaguza roho. Mbeere kanisa Anglikana tulikutana na Wakristo ambao ni missioners wa diocese hii, kwa sababu wiki ijayo tuko na mission ya hapa diocese Mission ndio mambo ya kuhubiri Injili, tukitembelea maboma, familia, tauni zetu, shule zetu, na pia hata katika hospitali. Leo tumekuja kuomba pamoja, kupanga mipango na pia kupata commission ombi, ili tutoke tutembee na mwenye kanisa ambaye ni Yesu Kristo, tungumuze yale tunazofanya ili tuone mtoto, mwanafunzi, familia zote akiwa ni mambo ya Shetani mbaya, hiyo inavukuzwa. Tunaomba akiwa ni mambo ya kuelekezwa, counseling tunafanya. Kutoka next week siku ya Jumanne tutakuwa na missioners ambao watatoka kwa dayosisi zingine zile zetu. Katika Kenya kuna dayosisi over 40 wataakirishwa katika hiyo mission ya hapa mbele.
Ganana icio cigemaine na kirira kiogo mututhie imwe kwa imwe nginya kuria mwena wa Garissa, na ni ati minister wa ruhonge rwa mbirarũ bũrũri-inĩ niwe Aden Duale ni agathĩrĩirie cukuru wa Garissa University ni gucokereria werũ na ni gwa kahinda kuma riria makorirwo magitharikirwo ni tharikiro iria yakorirwo ikiuraga arutwo 128 na macokeirie ngatho ni gukorwo macokereirie na magakorwo makihimbiria thayo thiini wa thukuru uyu.
And administrative staff who address our challenges in a timely manner.
That having a university in our county is a major achievement. A major achievement. Kindly the people of Garissa, the people of Northeastern Province, protect by all standards, protect Garissa University. Because it is something that if you lose it, getting it again, you might never have it. So, Mheshimiwa, now that you are a defense minister, I want to thank you. And also thank the government, the regional commissioners here. Because Kenyans, we have the assurance, always safe, always secure, and Garissa University will never be attacked again. Garissa is safe and it will never be attacked again. We want the students of Kenya, not only from northern Kenya, but
Today is not only the best university in the country, but has one of the best faculties, the Institute of Peace and Security Studies. And I want to send today another message to Al-Shabaab, now not as a member of parliament, not as a leader of majority, but as a defense minister of the Republic of Kenya. And tell Al-Shabaab, I am talking to you from Garissa University. During our graduation ceremony, I said it in Masalani, and I'll repeat it here. We are coming for you, Al-Shabaab. We are coming for you. We will use our forces, land forces. We will use our Navy. We will use our Air Force. We will use our special forces to hunt you down, both in Kenya and inside Somalia.
Tigana na icio cigemaine na thukuru wa Garissa ni ati munara wa Vasco da Gama uria ukoragwo mtini ya Malindi ni ucokereirio uthaka waguo undu uria uthirite milioni 59 na o ni kuringana na ruhonge rwa thirikari kuria ruroraga tabarĩra cia thirikari rwa Government Service Delivery. Doris Kamuye kuma National Museum of Kenya kaunti-inĩ ya Malindi augite munara uyu ni umwe wa minara mikoro gĩtarũ-inĩ kia Africa ni amu wakirwo ni agendi kuma bũrũri wa Portugal mwaka-inĩ wa 1998 na uthirite mbeca nyingĩ ni undu wi hakuhi ya aria mendagiria hakuhi na munara uyu ni meriga kurutururwo na kuheo handu nja ya munara uyu na kuria maugite ni undu mwega ni amu ni mekuhota kwenderia ageni aria maokorwo magioka gucera na kuona munara uyu.
Doris Kamuye, I'm the curator at Malindi Museum. And Malindi Museum is a regional museum of National Museums of Kenya. We are at the Vasco da Gama Pillar, the oldest monument in Africa. And this is a European monument that was built in the 1498 when Portugal was trying to traverse the ocean to find the sea route to India. And by that time, Malindi was trading with India. Since we are on ground with a team from the Government Service Delivery Unit to see if money invested by the government has indeed gone to the intended purpose. Yeah, the project costed 59 million, and it's not been simple work. It's been a lot of work with expensive material because we are in a marine environment. So NMK needed the best quality possible to preserve this for posterity. The traders have been sorted out already through efforts of multiple agencies within Malindi town, including the Office of the Member of Parliament, the area MCA.
Zamani tulikuwa tukiuzia pale Vasco da Gama pale ndani, alafu ndio tukaondolewa hapo, tukawa tumeketi tu huku na mikoba yetu na manguo. Tulikuwa tuna vibanda pale na sikabomolewa kupitia ule ujenzi unaendelea wa kutengeneza pale Vasco da Gama. Vile tumepata hizi vibanda, naona utalii wetu unaweza kuwa mzuri. Saa hizi tunaona dalili ya kupokea wageni vizuri.
Mambo yalikuwa mazuri. Sasa hivi mambo yamebadilika, si kama kawaida. Kwa tunapata mapeni mazuri sasa hivi, ni chakula ni mpato tu, pesa tu ya kukula peke yake. Hakuna ya kuweka. Naomba serikali pia iwe kutuongezea chochote ama tuangalie nasi kwa chochote tuweze kusukuma biashara zetu.
Tio igemaine na guthondekwo gwero kwa munara wa Vasco da Gama niyo igukorwo ikiheka idaga gukorwo ngirikiria ndugakorwo ugithii haraya na muni gukorwo ugicokereria tuthie na mbere na kuona uria bururi witu urathie na mbere na kwigariura.
Karibuni na mwikare mujire niki kiaria kingi.
Pastor, mundu toyo okago tukufio na ndari uguo tene. Thiku ici ona thimu yake ndigikwira ndamehutirie ri. Ni password yekiraga.
Maundu tamaya nimo mahagurite ihiko nyingi. Na ithui Muthingi TV tugakurehera tafarira ya mwanya itagwo kwiregeria.
Ungikona mundu ciana cia nyarara muthu umenye mutumia ucio no monete
no nginya wambe wamukire mundu hietha thamake
o muthenya wa kiumia kuma thaa 4 cia utuku nginya thaa 5 na nie Njuguna wa Ngugi.
Twe farafara-ini tugitwikania ngongo na ngongo gutigirira we mwiroreri witu wa tafarira ya ikumbiri ya umatho ni twakurehera utaukiru thiini wa biashara. Ino ni tafarira ya ikumbiri ya umatho iria turi kurehagira muthenya wa gatatu kwambiriria thaa 2 kinyagia thaa 3 cia utuku. Goko kwa Muthingi TV kihumo gya gutherema nani gikurehera ngetwo Muthoni wa Wambugu Nyarari.
Infinity Park ni moya kambuni nene iria iri barabara-ini ya Eastern Bypass na yakitwo na njira ya kiriu ikionjoria mweke wa kuruta biashara o hamwe na kambuni cia indo ngurani. Infinity Industrial Park ni maheanaga motungata mekuranĩire na makinyanĩire maikĩro itiganĩte oro hamwe na bara njaramu o wega, ceceni ya borithi, thibitari na matuka na maria moĩkaine ta malls, oho na ceceni ya ũkui wa ngari cia mũingĩ. Na to ũguo tu, Infinity Industrial Park ugitiri ni mugacirithia owega kuona kwina arangeri aria mathiurukaga mathaa mothe na kamera cia thiri cia CCTV mai canteen na handu ha mwanya ha kuhuruka. Kwina fiber optic cable njira cia kuonereria giko kana siwa na thitima ni cia 3 phase koguo kambuni yaku ndĩngĩgĩa na thĩna wa ũnyihu wa thitima. Mweke ni uyu na no wigithie guku Infinity Park na thogora mubashirire owega wa ciringi 3,569 o futi miena yothe. Tusherere biashara-inĩ itu Eastern Bypass kana twandikire email kugerera infinityindustrialpark.com.
Tugicokereria oro ringi mwiroreri wa Muthingi TV agikorwo ni hingo uraingira thiini wa karavisheni gaku wiigwe wi mucii tuthii na mbere na kuona uria bururi witu urathii na mbere na kwigariura tikira guthii haria guo mwena wa YouTube ni @Muthingi TV kuria mwena wa Facebook nakuo ni kwa Muthingi TV. Tugithii na mbere ni ati arimu a thukuru ya orugi na ugendi ni moritie mbeu njithi mahemberie kothi ya orugi ni amu ni imwe ya kothi cia bata bururi-ini kwa ihinda riri. Nimekwaragia hingo ya igongona ria kuhumba thũmbĩ arutwo thukuru-ini ino na kuria minista wa ugendi niwe Penina Malonza thirikari ni ugire thirikari ni gukorwo iteithiriria arutwo aya mone wira meri-ini cia ugendi wa kuraihu na niguo gucenjia miaka ya guthoma kothi ino kuma 3 nginya 2.
Cherono. We are at Kenya Utalii College for the 47th graduation that you have seen. 484 students graduate today in diploma and also in certificates. And I want to commend the Institute for hard work and also for coming up with the reforms that today we've meant to know that they've already reviewed their curriculum, that we'll see now students taking 2 years for diploma that has been taking 3 years. We've also seen they've reviewed the duration for certificate from 1.5 years to 1 year. And we've already received a request of 1,000 workers to our cruise ship, and we will be sitting down to draw an MOU with our cruise ship.
Are very proud that we've been able now today to release to the market for 84 who are skilled, very competent in the areas of hospitality and tourism. It is an industry that has grown in leaps and bounds over the years, and it requires a lot of manpower so that it's able then to service both the international visitors and the local visitors.
We encourage other Kenyans to join Kenya Utalii College, because here we're working on programs that will guarantee them employment. Other than those who absorb them, you've heard about the cruise ships. The challenges with the cruise ships have been some of our people do not have passports. That's something we're trying to address with the relevant authority to ensure they have the necessary passports and necessary specialized training to guarantee them opportunities in the cruise ship industry.
Tugitigana na icio ciĩgĩmaine na mbeũ njĩthĩ gũkorwo makĩhĩmbĩria ũrugi nĩ atĩ thutha wa watho wa igoti rĩa maguta kuongererwo kuma gĩcunjĩ kĩa 8 nginya 16 ahũra makĩria endia a maguta ma kũruga nĩ monanĩtie kĩeha kĩao kuona nĩ igũtha harĩ o na agũri ao. Endia arĩa twaranĩirie nao maugĩte faida yao nĩ thiĩte thĩ nĩ kĩrĩa marauga no nginya maikare gĩkĩro kĩa arugi aria age maguraga maguta maya na thogora wa thĩ.
Kũrũmĩrĩra kũhĩtũka kwa watho wa kĩgĩna wĩgiĩ kuongererwo kwa igoti rĩa maguta kuma gĩcunjĩ kĩa 8 nginya 16 harĩ igana, nĩ tũhungurĩte mũciĩ wa Nairobi kũrĩa endia maguta makuruga. Uyu ni Brian Mwanyika uria ukoretwo biacara-ini ino ya wendia wa maguta na ni aratutariria rugendo rutikoretwo rwi ruhuthu kuona thogora wa maguta maya ukoretwo ukiongererwo ihinda kwa ihinda.
Zaibis 2020. Yeah. By the time tulikuwa tunauza mafuta peke yake. Sasa tunauza mafuta na maziwa.
Brian atutariirie makiambia biacara ino mendagia maguta na thogora wa ciringi 135 na kuria kwa ihinda riri marendia 220.
Tukianza mafuta tulikuwa tunauza 135, hata price ndio hapo naweza iona 135 per liter. Between that time na sasa kuna difference kubwa. Sasa tunauza liter 2.
Brian neugite ni gukoretwo na ugaruru ya gori kuona bare maguraga maguta na uingi no riu maguraga no nyinyi ni undu wa kwambatira gwa thogora.
Unless upate kwa retail hiyo ndo anauza hivyo, lakini sasa si tukibai huko naona lazima tuweke kakitu na change kubwa sana. Yeah. Sasa hata mtu unaona sasa wananunua 20 50, unajua ni machine inapima ile pesa uko nayo.
Rugano no taroro hari muhori wa biacara ino ya wendia wa maguta onake agicaka ya wongerereku wa thogora wa maguta maya kuria aratariria guthima maguta ma thogora wa thi no nginya kuona no nginya aikare gikiro kia aguri ake aria mena uhoti wa kugura maguta ma thogora wa thi. Niongereire na kuga wongerereku wa igoti riri ni igutha hariwe kuona ndangĩringithania baita ĩrĩa onaga rĩrĩa thogora wa maguta warĩ.
Vema ndio wana free VAT. Jumbe yake ukikuja ya 30, 20, 50 half liter 1 liter unapimiwa. Lakini ingine iko sealed. Hiyo bei yake iko juu kiasi. Kemea vile kama ukitaka kula faida ndogo juu ukiuza 215 ama 210 unakula almost 100. Kuuza 220 ni so mbili.
Ahori biacara ya ni mathiĩte na mbere kuhinyĩrĩria thirikari kumaromboia na njĩra ya kũgũithagũithia thogora wa mũtũrĩre makĩria harĩ indo cia kĩmũthingi.
Waangalie maisha, hata kama watapandisha waangalie maisha ya mwananchi anaumia.
Ndoine ha Muthingi TV njĩtagwo Mũmbi wa Munyere.